Hi, all of you. Good morning, all of you. Good morning. Today we will learn another topic: classification of the phylum Annelida. Previous class completed general character of the Annelida. So here classification of the phylum Annelida, it can be divided into three classes: Polychaeta, Oligochaeta, Hyoidina. Polychaeta, Oligochaeta, Hyoidina. So first of the general character of Polychaeta. So what is the meaning of poly? Poly meaning many. Chaeta meaning seated. Chaeta meaning seated. So many setae are present in this class. Hence they are called polychaeta. So that is the meaning of polychaeta. So as well as first part of the polychaeta is here. Many setae. Many setae are present in the. So they are marine organisms. They are living. They are living marine water. So they are living in marine water. Most of the polychaetes are living in marine water and free living organisms. They are living marine water and free living organisms. So as well as these are also known as Bristol worm. They are also known as Bristol worm. Most important mark in need and absent purpose. Which class is called Bristol worm? A. Polychaeta, B. Oligochaeta, C. Hyoidina. So here correct answer is polychaeta is also known as called Bristol worms. So they are living in the burrowing region. So what is the burrow? So actually here tuberculous. Burrowing or tuberculous. So they create it to the hole in the coastal area. So they are living in the inside of the holes. So as well as next point is there here polychaeta another character. So distinct head is present. Distinct head. Head means separation. So when comparison of the here plant helminthus, remote helminthus. So the head region is just developed than the comparison of remaining phylums of planted nematode. But distinct head is present. So as well as here the sense organs. Sense organs, eye and pulse and tentacles. So these are three sense organs. So photoreceptors and sensory receptors, tentacles and pulse are sensory receptors. So that is the sense organs are eyes and pulse and tentacles are three types of sense organs is there. So as well as next point is the locomotion. Polychaeta locomotion. So locomotor organs are parapodia. So parapodia meaning legs. So that's why locomotor organs are parapodia. So parapodia another function is first function is locomotion and second one is respiration. So both are function is conducted by parapodia. So that is the another important character of polychaeta. So as well as sexes. So sex are dioecious. Most of the polychaetes are dioecious. So that is a sexes are dialysis. Example here, sand nereis. So nereis otherwise called sandworm and ragworm and clamworm. So three types. So nereis otherwise called sandworm, ragworm and clamworms. Very most important one. So nereis three names: sandworm, ragworm and clamworms. Next is a example. Next example is a here Aphrodite. So these are the best examples of polychaete class, polychaete general class. Next is a Oligochaeta. Oligo meaning few, chaeta meaning setae. So few setae are present in this class. That's they are called Oligochaeta. Oligochaeta best example Peritima, Tubifex, Megasphorex. So as well as they are living. They are living. So mostly they are living in moist places and as well as some are living. If you are living in the fresh water. So that is the general character of class Oligochaeta. So as well as here the freshwater living oligochaetas are Tubifex. So as well as here next point is the oligochaete. Here head is absent, a lack of head. So as well as here most important point here, permanent clitellum is present. Permanent. So the actually Oligochaeta, the most important point is the clitellum. So the clitellum is located 14th, 15th, 16th segment of earthworm. So it is a permanently present clitellum. Clitellum otherwise called the cingulum or belt, cingulum and clitellum permanently is present. So as well as respiration. So respiration take place by body wall. So it is one of the. So as well as Oligochaeta, locomotion organs are setae. So these are S-like shape, setae or S-like shape. Oligochaeta, setae, and as well as circular muscle and longitudinal muscle also longitudinal with the help of locomotion. So as well as excrete organs are nephridia. So these are coin-like nephridias are. So actually nephridias are three types. Nephridias are present in the Oligochaeta. So what are three types of nephridias? Pharyngeal nephridia, septal nephridia, integumentary nephridia. Did you understand, ma? So nephridias are three types: pharyngeal nephridia, integumentary nephridia and septal nephridia. So we can discuss these three nephridias are in the life history of earthworm. So okay, is it clear? Nephridias are excrete organ. So but here Oligochaeta best example Peritima. So it is also known as farmer of the friend. The excrete material is urea, but pyridinium, ammonia, and as well as polychaeta, ammonia, but Oligochaeta is urea. very most important. So why? Because I have already told constant here, but so all parasite excreted material is ammonia. Most marine organisms are ammonia. Terrestrial earthworm is urea. Okay, is it clear? So okay, nephridia. So as well as next is the sexes. So most of the monoecious. So hermaphrodite, monoecious and hermaphrodite, and fertilization. So fertilization is a internal fertilization and cross fertilization, cross and internal fertilization. So as well as development. So development is the direct development. So these are Oligochaeta. So Oligochaeta examples. I will put an example here. Peritima postuma, and tubifix, and Megaspolax, and as well as Oligochaeta. Best example here, Ketogostor anandaline, Draviri grandis. So these are best example of Oligochaeta. So very most important here, clitellum and neat, and as well as seated neat, and as well nephritias are neat. So as well as here most important point is here examples. Very most important. Peritima postuma, tubifex, Megaspolax. So these are Oligochaeta. Next is Hirudinea. So Hirudinea meaning actually Hirudinea. They are mostly living in the fresh water, marine water, and terrestrial places. So actually Hirudinea, so they are living in Hirudinea, freshwater living organism. First of the freshwater living is Hirudinea granulosa. So this type of leech living in the freshwater. Did you understand? Next is marine leech is Pantodella. So marine water is Pantodella. So as well as here Pantodella. So terrestrial. Next is terrestrial Hemodipsa. So as well as here the segmentation, most important point here. Oligochaeta segmentation, external segmentation, intersegmentation is there. That meaning the metabolism is showing internally, externally. But in Hirudinea only showing of external segmentation. The segmentation is external segmentation. The locomotion organs are suckers. So actually in Oligochaeta 1 to 120 segments are present, but Hirudinea 33 segment, 105 subsegment is there. That is the variation of Hirudinea and Oligochaeta. Okay. So as well as Hirudinea, they have dorso-ventrally flattened body. Like that example, leech. The leech body is dorso-ventrally body. As well as here, suckers are locomotor organs and clitellum. So, temporary clitellum is present. Temporary. So only in the clitellum is only occur in the breeding season. It is the clitellum is a constant in the oligoclinium. So only temporarily clitellum is appear in the Hiridinia. So as well as especially in their body, botryoidal tissue, is present in the coelomic cavity. So actually botryoidal tissue is a bunch-like, grapes bunch-like structure. So it is a main collective of the iron particles and calcium particles. Iron particle is storage and excretion of iron and calcium particles. So that is a special character of unique character of Hiridinia. So that is the botryoidal tissue. So as well as sexes. So sex is a monoecious. Monoecious or hermaphrodite. So fertilization is a internal fertilization. The fertilization occurs in the internal fertilization. So as well as here, fertilization is the internal fertilization. This is the most important point here. Success is monoecious. Male possess copulative organ is called cirrus. So it is the very most important. Male, they have process of male copulative organ cirrus. So these are a general character of class Hiridinia. So the Hiridinia most including of leeches. So that leeches are freshwater, Hiridinia glandula, marine water, Phaltopella, terrestrial, Hemoptypsa. So these are a class Hiridinia. So actually the phylum Annelida, the classification divided to three types: Polychaete, Oligochaete, Hiridinia. They are living marine water, fresh water and terrestrial. They are living fresh water and terrestrial. They are living only marine water. That is the variation of the Polychaete, Oligochaete, Hiridinia. So thank you my dear student.